What's up YouTube, it's Viva La Kevs back again with another video. Damn, it's hot. So if things look a little bit different from last time, it's because I did a little bit of rearranging around my room. I got a new table, I finally got a chance to organize my closet and put things away. So I apologize in advance if like my videos aren't consistent as far as like my background. I'm still trying to play with things and trying to like find a good angle to record my videos. So give me some time. Hopefully this setup will be enough for now until I figure things out. Anyway, I got another box here to open for you guys. So if you watched my last video, you know that I unboxed 3 shoes that I purchased off of eBay. And today we have another eBay purchase. But the reason I'm only doing one today is because this shoe is one of my grails. So the story with these are, I saw them go up on eBay. There was no buy it now feature. It was all bidding. I think the bidding was only for like 4 days, but I was on top of my shit. You know, I was watching it literally like the whole 3 days it was up for auction. Bidding was already up to like 200 and it just kept going up and up by the minute. The last 10 minutes I placed a maximum bid of like 550 and eBay did the rest, and luckily I was able to purchase these for 300 bucks. Anyway, let me just get into this box for you. Alright, so I'm super stoked on these.
Dude, you get the best barrels ever, dude.
Like I said, these have been my grails for a minute, and I'm finally blessed enough to have a pair in hand. Woo! So, we got the 2015 Jordan 1 Chicago's. Man, oh, these are nice. So the listing said they were used, but there was a disclaimer. The seller said, I got these pairs as a gift and I can't guarantee authenticity. So it was super sketch. So I did a lot of research before purchasing these. I checked online to see the real versus fake comparison reviews. Thankfully there's a lot for this year in this model, and from the pictures everything checked out. You know, like I said, with eBay it's never a guarantee. Like, you definitely need to do your research before purchasing a pair of shoes, especially something this hyped. There's a lot of fakes floating around, so you gotta be careful. Ask around. It never hurts to ask for other opinions. But man, this pair is so nice. Definitely slightly used. There's some slight heel drag. Very slight. You can tell that they wore these a few times. They took really good care of it. Creasing is to a minimal. The stars on the soles are complete, so very light wear. The guy that these were from still have the invoice from Nike, which is cool. These do come with the extra laces, the red and the whites. I'm keeping the blacks on these because I just think they look really nice this way. I can't emphasize how happy I am to get these for that price. These are going on feet right away. Yeah, I have a bunch of videos on the way. I'm not your conventional sneaker purchaser. I do buy a lot of shoes off websites like eBay and GRAIL and Mercari and like the weirdest sites ever. So stay tuned. I got a lot of stuff I want to get on video. I do plan on doing some like live thrifting. Yeah, so we'll see where it goes. I have a lot of shoes on the way, so please stay tuned. If you guys like my videos, please like, comment, and subscribe down below. Till next time, I'm Viva La Kevs. Peace!